How to download IMO on laptop and login. So if you want to download IMO on laptop and login, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for IMO. Once you've searched, you need to go with imo.im, which will take you to the official website. Now you just need simply go with download for Windows if you want to download it. And you just need simply go with download, which is on the top right. Go with the downloads, go with download unverified file, and it will start the downloading process. Without downloading, you won't be able to use it, right? So first you need to download this file. So wait for a few seconds till it downloads. After downloading, you need to go with downloads, which is on the top right, and then click on this. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need simply select the language and then go with OK. And here you need to accept the terms and services and the license agreement and then go with install. And it will start installing the IMO application. After that, go with finish. And that's it. The app has been installed. Now you need to search for IMO Messenger. Click on it. And to log into your account, you need to go with the country code. Go with the drop down. Select the country code. After selecting the country code, you need to go with the number, enter the phone number, agree and continue. And you will receive the code on your mobile. So you just need simply enter the code and you'll be able to log into your account. So in this way, you'll be able to download and log into your IMO. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.